Hello and welcome. Today, we will explore research methods in health as part of the Pearson BTEC Level 7 Extended Diploma. This session will cover how research proposals, methodologies, and data analysis provide strategic insights, helping us understand and apply effective research approaches in health contexts. The assignment requires a comprehensive research report of 4,500 to 5,000 words. It includes a 15-minute formal presentation. The scenario revolves around AstraCore Technologies Limited. Harvard referencing is mandatory. The grading is based on a pass system. Formulating a clear research question is essential. Prepare a comprehensive research proposal with a structured action plan. The proposal should include background, research aim, and SMART objectives. Justify the research question and define scope and limitations. Include a proposed methodology and ethical considerations. The proposal must cover background and organizational context. Clearly outline the research aim and SMART objectives. Justify the research question and discuss its scope and limitations. Detail the proposed methodology and ethical considerations. A Gantt chart timeline is crucial for planning. Analyze the differences between qualitative and quantitative approaches. Critically evaluate your chosen research methods. Consider ethical implications and ensure compliance. Apply methodological frameworks like the research onion. Understand inductive versus deductive reasoning. Explore the research onion by Saunders. Understand the contrast between positivism and interpretivism. Choose appropriate sampling strategies. Ensure reliability, validity, and triangulation. These frameworks guide your research process. Analyze statistical or qualitative data critically. Interpret research findings with precision. Evaluate academic literature thoroughly. Use a thematic structure instead of a summary. Identify gaps and develop a critical argument. For quantitative data, use descriptive and inferential statistics. Qualitative data requires coding and thematic analysis. Present findings logically and link them to objectives. Ensure clarity in your presentation. This approach enhances understanding. Organize your literature review thematically. Compare and contrast different authors' views. Identify gaps in existing literature. Develop a critical argument based on these gaps. This structure strengthens your analysis. Prepare an analytically structured research report. Justify your findings and recommendations logically. Critically evaluate your research skills. Include an executive summary and introduction. Conclude with recommendations and reflection. Begin with an executive summary and introduction. Follow with literature review and methodology. Present findings and analysis clearly. Conclude with recommendations and reflection. This structure ensures comprehensive coverage. Summarize your research purpose and findings. Justify your choice of methodology. Highlight key insights and recommendations. Prepare to defend your decisions during Q&A. This ensures a robust presentation. Emphasize critical evaluation over mere description. Integrate strong academic references throughout. Ensure logical and analytical argumentation. Link theory clearly with findings. Maintain Harvard referencing consistently. Submit your assignment via email to the specified address. Ensure all criteria are addressed in a single submission. You can submit for formative feedback. Once the final submission is done, no resubmission is allowed. Maintain academic integrity throughout. This resource was created by UKversity Online. It may contain third-party materials where specified. The UKversity name and logos are unregistered trademarks. All rights are reserved by UKversity. Reproductions must comply with their license terms. Ethical considerations are integral to research. Ensure compliance with ethical standards. Address any potential ethical implications. Consider the impact of your research on participants. This is crucial for maintaining integrity. If anything is unclear or you need help, WhatsApp us at 0748-4361-688. Our team will gladly assist. Thanks for your time, and see you at the next session.